You still powering down to clean electrical equipment? Save time and money by using EEC.
When you've got grease, grime, and buildup on live panels or motors, use a cleaner that works with the power still on. That's what EEC, Energized Electrical Cleaner, is made for. It's non-conductive, non-flammable, and dries in seconds, so you can clean energized components without risking damage or downtime. Use it on switches, motors, circuit breakers, air conditioners, whatever's dirty. It blasts through the buildup and leaves no residue. No rinsing necessary and no mess left behind. You get a safer clean with less risk and no shutdown required. Want to clean smarter, not slower? Check out EEC at stateindustrial.com.